Hello and welcome to Mr Dad's P1's Airgun Corner. Today I'm going to do a review of an air rifle which is Spanish. It's made by Gamo. Now I'm not sure what model it is, but I do think it's a Gamo Whisper Sting. It's a current model. You can get it online today. I think you can get normally a kit with a bag, a nice little scope and the rifle for about £140. So let's have a look at this rifle. Nice bag with the logo on it. I actually do like the look of this. It's a break barrel. It's very similar, I think, to the Gamo Wasp, which is a 177 version, and the Wasp in 177 version can do about 1250 feet per second. This one, 2.2, I'm not quite sure what it'll put out. I would hazard a guess around the 650 feet per second. What I do like is this feature. It's a black tactical ambidextrous stock, and the good thing about it is you can go out in all weathers and it's pretty much coated, and it'll be tough to scratch it like you can do on your zips or your pockets, things like that. It is a break barrel, and I like the coating on the outside here. Again, it looks like some kind of ABS kind of plastic protection. Nice flutes there for detail, and this integrated silencer. Open sights are included, and this will also help as a muzzle grip to break the barrel with leverage, and also as a silencer. And it comes with a scope, some nice little dovetails on there. Looks like it's locked in with Torx setting screws, and that is a BSA 3 to 9. I dare say it's B40. The whole thing's a kit you can actually get. Looking at the trigger, again, it's all plastic integrated in here, and it also has got a safety trigger switch here and a nice little butt at the end. Just looking at the front end, it is impressive. It looks good. And I think this is where we get the Whisper from. It's Whisper technologies built in to this silencer. So let's have a look at it and see what it can do. And the pellets I'll be using today that came with the rifle are ProShot 2.2s. They weigh 14.3 grains. There you go. And by the looks of them, they've got some kind of hollow point going on there. I'll show you how to cock it. Normally I just give it one of them. That's broken the breech. That's quite easy, that. And then we can load the pellet into there. It's a nice tight fit. And one feature worth looking at as well is I think they've made it quite a small barrel in there, nice rifle barrel with this protective outer sleeve in here going right through. So although it does look chunky on there, that's the actual size of the barrel. Lock it up, it's good to go. Where's the safety? Get the safety off. Actually, I'm just looking through the scope and it is really blurred to my eyes. I can't make head nor tail from the crosshair to the target up there, so first thing to do is adjust the focus. So let's have a look at the groupings. Well, first impressions there. It's sporadic. I've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. A bit to the left in general. I mean, I'm just getting to know the rifle, but in general, I think we could bring it that way down. Okay, I'll do a couple of clicks to the right, just a couple of clicks down. Let's go and see if that's made a difference. Let's go and have a look at them latest shots. It's much better, there's a few in the bull there. It's still, if anything, up into this quadrant, so I might just tweak it a touch more. I know 1 or 2 when I pulled the trigger, I knew it had gone this far, I knew it. So I'll just try and tweak it down a touch more, rather than aiming off. Well, that's getting better. Possibly a bit of a rogue pellet there, but the groupings are now getting more consistent. Might just try lowering it a touch more and we'll have 10 more shots. Well, that is better. Just these random ones here, I'm not happy with them. 4 up there, why? But that is much better. So, one more card. Well, I've got it somewhere or thereabouts. I'm not too minded about that now. That's all right. The wind's this way a bit. My first impressions are using this Gamo Whisper Sting rifle. I like it. It's quite light. It's solid. It's comfortable. It does exactly what you want it to do for the price. The groupings aren't too bad, so if you want to go out hunting, you could get good kill shots. I like the look of it. I like the balance, the feel. I also like this. It's not going to catch on things here, zips, it's not going to scratch. I like the action. Nice safety feature. And if anything, the trigger felt a bit heavy to me. I'm not sure we can adjust it. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this as much as I have. I've had some fun today, a nice bit of plinking. I've got it set up and it's reasonably accurate now. If you like these videos, like, subscribe, and I'll make some more, and we'll find out if there's any more air guns lurking in the corners. Come on, lad.